Bonjour mes amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. Welcome to this fantastic masterclass, powerful step in your Canadian immigration journey. So, the 6-month roadmap to acing the TEF Canada examination. And have this journey with us or on your own. French is your golden ticket here. Okay, because I fell from failure to mastering the language. Coming back to my journey, after that 6 months that I spent, so it was a big success. And my journey has been really an interesting one. A lot of people are today mastering this language. And why Fluenzu, the institution, was created, how I went from zero to a native level in French. Your success deserves attention. And now receiving your invitation and to apply the very next month. Very often students who even complete DALF C1 and C2, and then when you look into the other levels, C1, C2 and the native level, and me personally, I stand at the native level, which is above C2. So it's not something which would happen overnight. It's something which is going to take 6 months. So at the end of the 6 months, so over preparation is always the best strategy. So I personally have done up to the top level C2 level, and after that I've done the teacher training and a lot of other things. So today I'm somewhere above that C2 level.